everyone. This is Juan Sarmiento, and today is Tuesday, December 8th. Okay, so we have the CNAT transformation that worked. Let me say analyze trade, and you see that what we had was a diagonal. Here it is, and I simply transformed it with a calendar spread, which means that my short I bought back with only 2 days or 3 days to go, and I sold the equivalent same strike price expiring January together with my long call. And so the resulting trade is this. Doesn't tell you much, so what you need to do is select those two trades, those two legs, and say analyze closing, hide the position, and then invert this. Okay, this is the one that I was just closing, but in reality I don't have an intention to close it. But then if I say analyze opposite, it gives me the trade that I have right now. And to calculate its true value based on the money that I put in, let's use a calculator, and we have a debit and a credit. So the debit is 1.45 and the credit is 0.96. That gives us a debit of 49 cents. So we can put that here. And that is a great deal because now, yes, I have extended the time, but I have increased the potential profit. So in the original trade, my potential profit was pretty much reached at 256. And with every passing day, I would have made good money, but then, the stock might move against me. So I need to give myself some time to make additional money. That's the principle here. If you have closed the trade, fine. I just needed to show you this. And I think the stock is trading, is going to new highs, so I'm happy with that, okay? For the time being anyway. So the resulting trade is this here. And as you can see, to show that selecting the two trades, you would have to say 2 to expiration. And this is what it would look like, okay? So the transformed one, the integrated trade, the two together will give me this. And then I don't need to keep track of 2 trades at the same time. The problem with this form of trading is that when you go to the account statement and try to look at here the P&L percentage, it shows me 432%. Well, that's not realistic, okay? It's just because it's only a portion of the trade, and it's the essentially the portion that I took profits on. And here is the realistic P&L so far this year. So you might lose track of it if you are using the technique that I use, which is the P&L from the opening. Okay, so we need to keep a close eye on that. Let's look at eBay. eBay here is home. Let me just finish the entries that I got filled today. Akamai, I was telling you yesterday that after the close, the stock went weird because of the volatility. This is what it looks like right now. So it got filled, no problem there. Unfortunately, it pulled back quite a bit, but I still am bullish on it. So, okay, Costco, I think this was a closing trade. Yes. So here is the vertical. It's a short vertical, and I just got out of the trade for a profit of $194. Let's take a look at the chart. Good thing because the stock bounced further today. All right. Let me see. Oh yeah. Let's see if I want to close any trades. Just go over here, P&L percentage. That's what I want to look at. Just click twice to turn it positive, and so we should consider closing eBay and Yum. So let's say chart eBay, and then make the decision whether you're bullish or bearish. The stock rallied today nicely, so perhaps that's why I'm on the plus side now, and I have over a week to go. What you can do with this, if you don't want to close the trade and you're getting close to expiration, is do a rollover. And you select the two legs and then say analyze rolling. And this is a vertical roll, and that extends it to some other month. In this case, I would go to, let's say, January 31, 31st, and get 27 cents out of it. Okay, I'm not saying we're going to do that. I simply say that when you're close to expiration, want to do the rollover, give yourself time, because you become, as you become really close to the expiration, you become sensitive to delta. I'm going to give it a couple of days more before I getting out. And the other is Yum. And here we have, I'm very queasy about this, because even though it is a bullish trade, today's pullback was rather strong and unexpected. So since we have already 55% of the profits, perhaps it is a good time to get out of that one. We have a week and a half to go on this one, so I'm going to close it simply because I don't want to end up holding some loser when it was a winner at some point. Let's send that off. Okay, and that's about it. Unfortunately, I don't have any new trades today. The markets are not giving me anything. I sure checked. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.
For this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.PutCallGenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.